So friends, I came here to Kranji Marshes and it's quite long from my place. I stay in Clementi, so it's around 1.5 hour to reach here by bus or MRT. But I came by cab and it took me around 35 minutes. So this is the entrance behind me. So we'll proceed this way and I'll share with you my experience. See you. So this is the entrance and we need to follow this path. Actually behind me there was restrooms and a map, so we need to go from here, this side. It's a lovely place. You need to go to the left side. When you come from the entrance, you need to take a left to reach the marsh post. And wait a minute, here is a symbol of wild boar. That means there are wild boars over here as well, but I don't think we can see it in the morning time. Okay, so I'll proceed this way. So from the entrance you need to walk over around 1 kilometer, and while in the walk you can see many birds. I'm hearing very nice bird calls like oriole. Then I saw sunbirds. There are that side I saw there are actually many orioles there fighting. I don't know, maybe fighting for territory. So this is the weaver shelter. You can rest for a while here, and we need to proceed this way. Still need to walk, so let's carry on. So I'm still walking, and this is the second shelter which I think this one is yeah, woodpecker shelter. Okay, I reached to Marsh station now, and you'll see this road is going this way, but we don't want to go this way. We need to go this way. So this is a bird watch tower. You can see, I mean, in the bird's eye view. So we are going up there now. This is amazing. So Kranji Marshes actually have three biodiversities, like wetlands, woodlands and grasslands. So you will see many kind of birds. I think around 170 species they have here, and most I think around 30 plus are more endangered. So actually it's a heaven for birding. And now if you see here, so these are the main attractions of Kranji Marshes, like these birds. some here as well. So let's try to find at least few of them. Oh, so it's a bird hide here. I saw two yellow beaten over here in this bushes. They're inside, and I cannot take the photos. And this behind that bush there was a white-throated kingfisher. I took some photos, and there are some yellow-ended bulbul as well. Some spotted dove over there this side. And actually I'm waiting for the purple swamphen. There is one more bird here. It's called Mooran blind. What the? They have closed this area. To minimize the disturbance to wildlife in Kranji Marshes, access to this section is restricted to pre-arranged guided walks. Oh God. I think my trip is wasted. That area is closed, so I cannot go in and explore actually. So very small area I went. I mean there are just two bird hides I went, and even there I cannot I cannot spot anything. I just saw yellow beaten kingfisher, that one white-throated kingfisher. The birds they have displayed I haven't saw. Wasted. So I'll go up here again. Let's sit for a while and see what to do. They displayed many things, but I haven't saw anything. Now I decided to go back to the bird hide for some time because I don't want to waste my trip. I have decided to go back. I'll just walk around and see if I get to see anything. I maybe came at the wrong time, so I don't know. I need to make an inquiry about it. What is the right time to see the birds and where I can see the birds? So I'm not sure, because in the bird hides also I haven't saw anything. So I'll go by this way now. And there was a road that side, so I'll just go that side and see if I see something. So this is the map of Kranji Marshes. So I am here, and I just did these two bird hides, and this part was closed. That's why I was not able to go here, this big area. And you will see there are many hides like duck hide, bittern hide, rush bridge, bee-eater blind, lily crossing, wabbler hide, lapwing hide, parrot hide. There are many things I was not able to do because they closed this thing, and that's why my trip wasted. So I think I need to call them, ask them, and like when why they close and when they are going to open, because I know there are birds here. So guys, I'm going back now because no point, nothing is there. There is some construction going on. Let's see, I'll just make an inquiry about it, like when to come and why they close this, and I'll come back. So hope you like this video. I know you didn't like, but still I request you to like hit like button, share my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.